Hi, my name's Brooke, and today I'll explain how to use Ggplot2's package for logistic regression. Ggplot2 is all about data visualization, so I'm not going to be running any tests. I created my own data predicting maternal death and created a data frame. So first I specify Ggplot2 in which data frame I want to use. AES will allow me to map the variables to their visual location. So x-axis for age, y-axis for maternal death. Geom point specifies the type of graph. So this is a scatter plot over like geom histo, which would be a histogram. Alpha equals 0.5 specifies the opacity of the points. Color of the points is purple. And then stat smooth talks about, or will specify the type of line or the method to fit the line of the data using the smooth means. And I chose the GLM method with the formula of just fitting y by x. You can specify if you want the standard error to wrap around the line. I said no in this case, and I wanted to specify the plot view of the full range, not just the data. And then here it just shows that I'm modeling binomial data, and I chose for this line to be blue. Y-lab and X-lab indicate the labels for the X and Y axes. So we can run this and see how it looks. And as you can see, this is how it looks. Now if we run this with visits, I've changed the opacity. I've specified for there to be a standard error. I've changed the labels and the colors. And then lastly, we can see how it looks with miscarriages for maternal death. Please keep in mind that I made up this data, so it's not actually true. Thanks. Bye.